Okay, this is how to boost your domestic hot water. So the first thing you'll need to do is to turn off your hot water circuit. Pressing the power button. You're then going to hold down the menu and the favorite button for 3 seconds. This takes you into installer mode. So when this little spanner is flashing in the bottom left corner, you're in installer mode. You can go to the menu, configuration, scroll across to auxiliary function, and you want to go down until you see DHW boost. Now trigger type, if it says closed, you need to change that to push. Now you can head back to the main menu, turn your hot water circuit back on, and you will now have this option here. It'll be lit up white. Press the middle button and turn your hot water boost on.